Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how can we use a JSON kind of structure, JSON schema to create form data model, and then we can use that FDM for creating adaptive form. So basically, whenever we create a form, adaptive form, we have to give the path of a form data model. So how can we use JSON as a source of that form data model? So the very first thing is we have to create a JSON file. Now, when basically this, if we try to upload a JSON file within our form documents, okay, I mean, if we just click on form and documents, we can upload JSON file as well. But there is a schema, as in there is an extension that we need to have, that is schema.json. That extension it supports. It supports zip, etc. as well. Let me just show you. So if we just try to upload a file, maybe I will just try to upload a I'm not sure YAML file is also supported. No. So it will tell you like it's failed because it supports multiple extension types, and schema.json is one of them. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will create a JSON file and the extension will be schema.json. Okay, and if we see this JSON file, what we have, basically the definition is it's an employee type of structure in which we have multiple properties. For example, username, type string, date of birth, type string and format is state, email, language, and then personal details. So this is attribute. We can actually specify the details below. We can use reference here. So if we go to this personal details, so basically this will just inherit this. Okay, so, and then project details, again project details like name, age, etc. So this is, we can create a JSON. So this is nothing but a schema we are creating for our form data model, and once it's created, I copied it from the Adobe documentation only. So once it's created, what we have to do, we have to upload this file. We can just upload this file, my schema.json. So I will just reiterate, it should have extension schema.json. Just upload it, and once it's uploaded, we have to click on create adaptive form. Using okay, and under form model we have to select from schema, and then we can just search in the repository. Since we have just uploaded, so that's why it's coming here. We can just select it and then click on create button. Let's edit it. And now if we could go to this data source, we can see like since we have already uploaded this JSON schema, so it should be available here. We can just directly drag and drop here. So basically, for authoring perspective, when authors maybe they want to create a form using existing JSON schema, it's one of them where they can use the JSON schema. They will just upload it and they will just drag and drop. As in, rather than authoring, it will be a quick solution. At multiple places creating an adaptive form, we can use it. Other option was we can create a form fragment and then we can reuse the same form fragment at multiple places. So that's it in this video, and hope you will like it. Thank you so much for watching.